How to hide a WordPress site from the public, the easiest way. We're doing this in WordPress.com because it has a built-in private switch, no plugin, and no code. Log into your WordPress.com dashboard and open the website you want to hide. Once the site dashboard loads, look down the left sidebar, click Settings, then click Reading. This is the page that controls who can reach your site, and the setting we need is not hidden in a plugin. Scroll down to the Site Visibility section. You should see 3 radio buttons: Public, Hidden, and Private. Public is the default, which is why your site has been open to everyone. This is where most people get it wrong. Hidden only tells search engines to stay away. A person with a direct link still gets in. Private is the one that actually locks the door, so click Private. I use this all the time when I'm building a site for a client or putting up a maintenance page. WordPress usually shows a confirmation box right after you click it, because Private changes access for everyone except people you invite. Read the note, and if it asks, click Confirm. If your screen still has a Save button, click that too. Watch for the radio button to stay selected. That's how you know it's saved. Now do not test this while you're still logged in. WordPress will show you the site as the owner, and you'll think the setting failed. Open a new incognito window instead. Press Ctrl-Shift-N on Windows or Command-Shift-N on a Mac. Type your site address in the address bar and press Enter. Instead of your home page, a normal visitor sees a WordPress login page or a private site message. That's exactly what should happen. Let's switch it back now because you need to know how to launch again. Go back to Settings, then Reading. In the same site visibility box, click Public. Confirm it if WordPress asks. Open that incognito window again, type the address, and press Enter. The home page loads normally. Good. If you only want to hide one page, go to Pages in the left sidebar, then All Pages. Find the page and click Edit. In the right sidebar under Page Settings, find Visibility. It says Public. Click it, change it to Private, and then click Update. That one page is now blocked from visitors, while the rest of the site stays public. If that page is still in your navigation menu, a visitor clicking it will land on a private notice instead of the content, which is usually what you want. Posts use the exact same control. Go to Posts, then All Posts. Open the post you want to hide, find Visibility in the right sidebar, switch it from public to private, and click Update. The post immediately drops off the public site. Draft is the third option I use when a page or post isn't finished. Open the page or post, find the status setting next to Visibility, change it from Publish to Draft, and then click Save or Update. The content leaves the public site, but it stays in your dashboard so you can publish it again later. Visitors who try the old link get a Not Found page, so you don't have to delete anything. One last warning for self-hosted WordPress.org users: if your settings reading page does not show these 3 site visibility options, you are on the self-hosted version. You might only see a checkbox called Discourage search engines from indexing this site. That is not privacy. Visitors who know the link can still open your site. On self-hosted WordPress, use your hosting provider's password protection, a staging feature, or a plugin that actually restricts access. Do not rely on that checkbox. If this hid your WordPress site without a plugin, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.